Math with Patti. This lesson is about algebraic reasoning. You may say to yourself, I cannot do algebra. I have good news. By the time this lesson is over, you will feel different. So let's begin. Let's talk about, first of all, algorithms. What in the world is an algorithm? It's simply an operation of math. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So now I need your help. We're going to play a little game because all of math is games. Can you think of a game that doesn't involve math? Math equals games and games equals fun. We're going to play the any number game to prove that you can do algebra. So we already talked about what an algorithm is. So I'm going to do one algorithm. We're going to add 6 to any number. Then let's subtract 7. Now, I want you to come up with an algorithm. Give me an algorithm, please.
Multiply 5.
Multiply 5. Okay, let's stop here and play the game. Let's think of any number. How about the number 9? We're going to take 9. We're going to add 6 to it. We get 15. We're going to subtract 7. We get 8. Then we're going to multiply by 5. We get 40. Now let me show you what you just did. You just did that problem. X plus 6 minus 7 times 5 equals 40. Now if you were presented with this algebra problem, you'd be like, oh, I can't do it. Let's work it backwards. You started out at 40. You multiplied by 5. So if you multiplied by 5, let's work it backwards. Backwards, opposite, we'd have to divide, correct? So x plus 6 minus 7 divided by 5 equals 8. There we are, 8. Next, you subtracted 7. So if we're working this backwards, we're going to do the opposite. So let's take the opposite. Opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. We're going to x plus 6 equals 15. There we are. We're right over here. Now you add 6, do the opposite. We're going to subtract. X equals 9. You just did algebra. Are you convinced? I'd like to do another problem. Playing the any number game, we're going to do the algorithm minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5. Give me any number, please.
4.
4. This could be interesting. 4 minus 5. What's 4 minus 5? Well, we're going to end up with a negative 1, right? Plus 3. Going back to our sign numbers, we're going to end up with 2 divided by 5. We'll end up with a fraction. 2 divided by 5 equals 0.4. Now, let's put this in an algebraic expression. Any number, we use x, minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 equals 0.4. Work the problem backwards. If we divide it by 5, we're going to have to multiply by 5. So 5 times 5 we'll make this cancel, and we have x minus 5 plus 3 equals 2, because 5 times 0.4 is going to equal 20, or 2.0. Then, going backwards, we subtract the 3, and we'll get x minus 5 equals negative 1. X plus 5, going backwards, equals 4. And we end up back at our any number. So now you might ask yourself, well, how can I do this problem if I don't have this first? We'll get to that on the next lesson.